From your Photoshop, go to File, New. Here select inches and give width 2 inches, height 2 inches, resolution 300 pixels. Color mode, select RGB color and select your 8-bit. Background content, select white and click on Create. Now, go to File, place Embedded, and from your computer, place the model. And then you can go ahead and resize your model and just hit Enter. After that, select the model layer and go to Select Subject. Once your subject selected, click on this mask icon to remove your subject background. After that, go to File, place Embedded. This time, select the suite, Formal Suite, PNG file and place it. Now go ahead and position the suite just like this, and you can also change it size just like this. Okay, now hit Enter. Now right click on the suite layer and rasterize layer. Then from tool panel, select the rectangle tool and you have to select the half of the suite just like this. Once you select it, go to Edit, hover over on Transform and click on Warp. Now all you have to need, go ahead and adjust your suit just like this. And hit Enter. Press Ctrl D to deselect this selection. Again, select this half part just like this. Again, go to Edit, Transform and Warp. And now adjust this part or side. Once you're happy, hit Enter. Press Ctrl D to deselect. And then we want to erase this part. So select the model thumbnail and select the eraser tool and just click here. Click on OK and erase this part from here just like this. And here select the soft eraser tool and select the suite layer and you can zoom in the project. And here I'm just erasing a little bit just like this. And that's it. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.